What's going on, family? Welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today I am introducing you guys to my aloe vera plant. Her name is Lolo, and I purchased her at Walmart in the middle of May. She was a very small plant, and she has grown pretty nice for me. She's like twice the size she was when I purchased her, but it doesn't look like that she's doing too well as far as growing healthier leaves. And I believe it's because the soil is very hard and compacted. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the soil is like really hard. And I was doing some research, and aloe vera plants, they don't like soggy roots, and they also like soil that is loose and that is well drained. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take some of this hard compacted soil out of this pot, and I have some more soil right here. It has some perlite in there. Perlite is like the little white foam that you see. It's kind of like a foam like substance that you see here, and it helps with drainage, and it also keeps the soil from getting compacted so the roots can breathe. So this is what I'm going to transfer my aloe into. I'm just going to switch the dirt out, and hopefully that will help her uh, grow a little better for me, because I believe her growth is stunted because this soil is so hard and it's not allowing the roots to breathe like it would normally do. Yeah, it doesn't look like I've already harvested one of these. As you see, aloe vera is a really good plant for the gel that's in it. It has really good medicinal purposes. You can use it for skin irritations, minor burns. You can also use it for beauty products. There's a lot of beauty products out there that has aloe vera gel in it, like shampoos, lotions, everything we use on a day-to-day basis. So I figured, why not grow some? And I harvested some because I was frying some food the other day, and I burnt myself on my wrist, and I was like, okay, let me put some of this aloe vera on there and see if this actually works. And I put some gel on my arm, and I know you probably can't see it, but I don't have any scarring at all. Like, well, I have a little bit, but it's not as bad as it would have normally been, because I bruise very easy, and it's doing pretty well. It has a little bit of scab on it, but it's not as dark as it normally was. So yeah, aloe vera really works for skin irritation. So I'm going to put this right here. It doesn't look like it's been rooting too good though. If you can see it right there, it only has like a little bit of roots right there. You see that? So what I'm gonna do is take some of this hard dirt out of here, and I'm going to put the looser dirt in there, and hopefully it'll help the root system develop, and it will grow healthier pieces of aloe for me to harvest in the future. My baby Lolo was struggling. Her little leaves is just hanging over. It's barely hanging on. Said, I gotta do something. I gotta transfer my baby into some better dirt. This soil was like bricks. I don't even know why. Well, I know why I put her in here, because I wasn't aware of actually how to grow aloe. This is my first time growing it, so I should have did a little bit more research. But now that I have done some research, I'm going to make sure that I correct this. So she can grow a healthy root system and produce some nice aloe for me. Yeah, this is nice and loose, and this will help the roots grow a little better. Nice and loose, fluffy. Let some air get to the roots. So I'm just gonna dig a little hole right here, and I'm gonna take my baby. Look at her, she's struggling. Look at her. Poor baby. Hopefully once I get her in this new soil, she'll like it a lot better and I'll have a healthier plant. Okay, we got her in her new soil, her new environment. I'm going to give her some water and I'll hit you guys with a video in about a week or so to let you guys know how she's doing. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one.